Hey guys, how to share Wi-Fi using QR code. No more spelling your password like it's prophecy. Just show a code, let them scan, done. Right? Let's do it. Option A, the built-in method, iPhone to iPhone. This one doesn't use a QR code but works instantly, right? So what you're gonna do, make the devices close to each other and stay connected to the Wi-Fi. And when your buddy tries to enter the same network as you, a window will pop up that says share password, right? And you're gonna just hit share and instant magic. B, real QR code for any device. It's ready, like they already made made one for Wi-Fi, but you can do it easily. Okay, so you can open a website like kifi.org. Okay, and enter the network name, password, the kind of protection or encryption, excuse me, and hit generate. Okay, save the code and show it to anyone. Simplifies your life and make the hosts enter the Wi-Fi without knowing what they are trying to do. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.